Great value glass cleaner and Mainstays bamboo skewers, both available at Wa-Mart. As you can see, the skewer is just under 3 millimeters in outer diameter, and it fits in the tube perfectly. Alright, you can see the skewer and the tube from the glass cleaner and a couple of other tools that are kind of useful, along with the damaged spring that I was messing with, and a keycap for testing. I guess that's the key stem. As you can see, the spring fits perfectly in the tube. I guess it's about 3 millimeters. And you can run the skewer down the tube, and if you look closely, you can see that it compresses but does not allow the spring to move out of position, so it does not buckle. Alright, here you can see a missing spring on the function key 1. And this is how hard it is to install it when using the tube and skewer method. Here I am positioning the tube over the little post that the spring mounts on, and pressing the skewer in, and oh, there it went. That was it going on. This is me kind of twisting it around because this is only the second time I've done it, and I wasn't sure it actually worked. It seems so easy, and it is. Okay, here's testing the function key 2, which wasn't broken, to see what it's supposed to sound and feel like. Click, click. Very nice. And I pop that off. And let's see if F1 is working as well as that. Here I am just checking that it's actually attached, which it is. Put that stem on. Oh wait, it's not clicking. Oh my gosh, this is awful. I'll have to fix it. Yeah, well, it's a bent spring, so you might have to wiggle it around a little bit. I think if it were a perfectly straight spring, any position you happen to mount the keycap is likely to get you the desired key feel. But when it's bent, it's probably only going to work in certain orientations. So the skewer goes back down the tube goes around the spring, and you can see I'm twisting it back and forth to try to adjust the orientation of the spring on its little mounting post. Now, put the same cap back on F1, and oh my gosh, we're getting the buckling spring click like we want.